Hello everyone, this is FrostZ back again, and today I'm going to be asking you for a trade. Well, you press the subscribe button and I'll be showing you some best of the best subreddits that you can use for building your gaming PC or having some nice hardwares for your computer. So what about this video is actually I'm not going to be talking about some classical and most famous subreddits like r slash gaming or r slash PC games hardwares like that. I'm going to be telling you some very underrated subreddits that I just found, and I thought that these might be some good ideas for a video as well to help others finding these subreddits which are very helpful and the community is very amazing. So first one in this list is build a PC. Well, I found this subreddit while I was building my own computer, and during the confusion between many hardwares and comparing many other websites, I found this subreddit to be pretty optimum, and there are many people already joined in, so you can definitely give it a try if you're building your computer or if you have some confusion about which website is best to purchase a new computer. And the second one in this list is similar to build a PC, which is r slash build a PC for me. Well, this is a very common subreddit to build a PC, and there's nothing much different but the variety of peoples you can find there. Okay, so next one is hardware swap. Well, this subreddit is kind of amazing because it is very unique in itself. Like if you are living in a place and you want to trade some hardwares with someone nearby you, you can check for your location, or you can find someone like that from the subreddit, and if they're interested they might even give it a good trade. You can get some better hardware and give off your old hardwares or which you don't need to that person. Okay, so next one in this list is r slash tech support. Well, if you're having some trouble regarding your PC problems or some laptop problems, overheating, troubleshooting, and many more, you can ask people in this subreddit. This subreddit is based on that only. So next one in this list is r slash web underscore design, or another one is web dev. Well, I consider them kind of similar because this subreddit shares many similar users like me, and this subreddit is basically based on some web design and web development stuff related. And so if you're into that stuff, you can check it out. It is very amazing. There are many people in this subreddit, so I would consider you to check it out. I have given all subreddit in the description. So the last one, and definitely not the least, the classic PC master race. Well, I have put it in this list because when one of my friend was making a PC for himself, he didn't know about this subreddit and was just roaming around the web searching for answers. Well, I thought that this would be a better suggestion for him and for you as well, that PC master race is one of the classic and one of the biggest subreddit related to PC problems, and as well as if you're building your PC. So I would definitely consider going there if I would be making a PC for myself. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll be making more of this type of content, and I hope you really enjoy. Thanks for watching.